Do not change the machine configuration without permission or authorization from our technical team. SINOMACH is not responsible for the safety problem or economic loss caused by that. Carefully read the operation manual. Recognize safety information and follow operation and maintenance instructions. Understand the caution and safety signals. Machine lifting point. Ensure that the lifting equipment has sufficient lifting capacity and that no one is under the machine during lifting. Pay attention to the balance of the machine during lifting. Use wire rope or chain to connect the lifting points for lifting. Danger of rotating parts. It is forbidden to approach rotating parts. The engine must be stopped when repairing surrounding parts. Risk of boom falling. It is not allowed to stand under the boom. Be sure to lock the boom with safety support if necessary. Maintenance safety warning. There is a risk of explosion and being crushed. Please read the operating procedures carefully to avoid injury before operating the machine. Collision and crushing hazard warning. Starting the machine in a non-neutral state will cause serious injury. The machine can be started only when it is in neutral and the driver seated. Seat belt warning. Please use your seat belt at all times. Do not jump out of the cabin to avoid crushing when the machine overturns. Machine overturning warning. If the digging device is overloaded, the machine may roll over. Safety warning of machine for transportation and operation. When transporting the machine, put the digging device to the safety locking position and lock the digging device with the center pin. Please note that the outrigger may be interfered when the digging device rotates to the leftmost or rightmost position. Danger warning of crushing by digging device. It is forbidden to enter here. People will be hurt when turning. The machine can only be started and operated when seated in the cabin. Do not place other objects around the cabin. Digging device hazard warning. Keep away from the machine when it is working. Safety tips. Fully understand the working area before operating the machine, avoid the digging device from touching underground cables and water pipes, and keep away from high-voltage lines during operation. Before adjusting the seat to the direction of the digging device, shift into neutral and pull up the parking brake handle. When checking the coolant, slowly loosening the radiator cap until the system temperature lower down, otherwise the high-temperature coolant will spray out and get burnt. It is not recommended to use the hand throttle for any other operation except the digging device, otherwise an accident may be caused. Before driving the machine, carefully observe whether there are any people around, press the horn and start the running machine smoothly. Due to the heavy weight of the digging device, special attention should be paid to the balance at the front and rear of the machine. Try to avoid sudden braking and sudden steering and driving on large slope. People should stay away from the machine working area, especially the area covered by the excavation device. The machine can move freely when the clutch cutoff button is pressed. If necessary, use the brake to stop the movement of the machine. Before operating the machine, be sure to fasten the seat belt. If the machine rolled over but seat belt not fastened, you might be injured by the fallen machine. When getting on and off the machine, you must use the foot pedal and handrail by facing the machine. Please do not jump on or off the machine, otherwise injury might be caused. Before driving on the road, the left and right brake pedals must be locked, otherwise accident might be occurred. When the machine is moving, the bucket is about 40 centimeters above the ground to maintain the stability of the machine and good sight. Before operating the digging device, drop the outriggers on both sides to support the machine. Otherwise the stability of the machine will be affected. When operating the machine on a slope, try to avoid steering in full load operation. The forward gear shall be selected when going uphill and the reverse gear shall be selected when going downhill, otherwise the machine may tip over. If it is a must to park the machine on a slope, the back side of the machine should face to the slope, place the loading bucket on the ground and tighten the parking brake. Retract the outrigger before driving, otherwise scratch accident might be caused. Speeding may cause the machine to lose control. Do not coast in neutral when going downhill. Keep driving at a low speed on the slope, otherwise accident might be caused. Never dig the ground under the outriggers, otherwise collapse and overturn of the machine might be caused. The front and rear tires of the machine are tubeless tires. The rated air pressure of the front tire is 4.4 bar and the rated air pressure of the rear tire is 2.4 bar. The correct tire pressure can ensure the service life of the tire and the driving stability of the machine. Excessive tire pressure may cause tire explosion, resulting in serious personal injury.